Hey, IBM sellers. So some percentage of the opportunities coming in the door are net new Maximo opportunities. And sometimes we'll actually get people who are looking to get out of their clunky SAP PM implementation, or maybe they've grown and they're like, look, I want to know what Maximo can do for us. And they're going to ask you for a demo, which you're going to watch my other videos and you're going to say no. And then what we're going to say is that, look, we need to understand what your problem is. We need to understand why it's a problem. And as we get into that, we're probably going to want to go through some type of assessment of your practices and your processes so we can give you an idea of what your ROI opportunity with Maximo is. And what I can tell you is that in 30 years of doing this, I have never met a customer who could not pay for their project with ROI by adopting some changes in their processes and practices that are enabled through the product. Today, that's heavily going to be in things where it's your mobile inspection forms, things like that. And they pay huge dividends. There's a win there every time, every single time. So what we want to do is get the customer thinking about how ROI is going to offset the entire cost of this project, not just year one, but year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, and leadership's going to keep counting their money after they spent it once. Best investment ever. So let's dig in with the customers. Let's talk about those ROI assessment opportunities and how we can help them return money back to the enterprise by spending a little bit on a Maximo implementation. That's why we're your #1 partner. Get ready with Banetti. Let's go win some deals.